So today I'm switching it up, switch up my camera, the position of it. Now I have it filming upside down. I'll just flip the screen and film editing. But if I had the angle right, which I think I do, you get more of the tag, more of my arms. So my main issues when I'm riding is I need more practice on curves, and the biggest one is I need more practice on going down hills. I really don't have too much issue going up hills. For some reason, down hills always mess me up. Overcompensate, go super slow. So we're gonna hit some curves, and then we're gonna go to, there's a ski resort out here called Greek Peak. We're gonna drive through there. There's some decent hills, so let's go. That I had to brake. That's not good. Shouldn't have to brake there. Get over nervous on those. Yeah, that would suck. Not gonna lie. Blind curves already mess me up too. If I'm coming up over a hill, I can't see how much of a curve it really is. Then that really makes me nervous. Keeping my head up, but that's no problem. Definitely gotta be careful of those wet patches. especially so when I'm doing curves and look, more extreme curves, not gradual curves. And I know the curves I'm taking, most of them probably like this is nothing, but for me it's getting back that practice after being pretty rusty, and then going down hills. Oof, I am absolutely terrible if they're steep. If they're little hills, no problem, but any means a little steep, I'm gonna have an issue, which happened to me big time in my video yesterday. I filmed about going to riding Watkins Glen, and there's Greek Peak over there, some pretty big hills. No, they're tearing up that whole thing. I remember going down that hill skiing. Pay attention to the road. Damn, I got hit by a big old gust of wind right there and caught me off guard. The sign said 45, I'm going a little over 50. I have taken this way before, so I'm kind of familiar with these. Before we get into the actual hill area, that curves are pretty gradual. Even going down the hills are pretty gradual, but since we're going downhill pretty steeply, it really messes me up. So I said it messes me up. Well, I'm gonna practice. So hopefully maybe I get a little more comfortable. I'm good wherever I'm going for riding. As I'm jerking my throttle back and forth. Too jerky. time. Switch to third. I'm going about 50 now. It says go 35. So I'm going up, I have no problem. I mean, I still slow down, still working my curves, because I still need a ton of practice, but going down, That's where I get worried. There we go. We're getting there. Nobody's behind me. I can take my time, but I'm doing better. I mean, that's not as steep as I remember. It's pretty gradual, but for me, it's still making me a little nervous. But geez, that was a lot easier than I remember.